All right, folks, welcome back. It's Monday morning. Hope you had a good weekend. Let's go ahead and get this week started. First of all, let's recap last week. So market was able to string together a couple days of nice gains last week. So we had, on the whole, pretty strong sessions for the broader stock market. Good thing on that front. Now, Friday, we had that December jobs report. Came in much higher than expected, much stronger than expected. 400,000 plus jobs created versus the 150,000 they were looking for, which threw some fuel on this anticipation that the Fed in March is certainly going to raise rates. Also threw some fuel on the fact that they're pricing in right now about a 35% chance the Fed could raise rates to the tune of 50 basis points. So big week last week, earnings, economic reports. This week, we've got some more economic reports on tap, and we've really got a biggie coming out on Thursday with that inflation number, CPI, the Consumer Price Index, coming out on Thursday. They're expecting about a 7% year-over-year gain in inflation. Again, another massive number. Now, what are the markets doing ahead of that? Heading into today's session, we're seeing the stock market, Dow Jones, NASDAQ, S&P, all in the green. We're seeing a continuation of that dollar strength we saw at the end of last week with this expectation that rates are going to rise. So we're seeing dollar strength this morning, and in oil, seeing oil down to the tune of about 1.3%. That's about $1.20 trading just around $91 a barrel in WTI. Still not too far off from that big $100 mark. Continue to see oil move higher over these past couple of days. All right, folks, got another big week, more earnings, more economic reports, CPI out on Thursday. Let's get in there, trade some price action. Let's have a good week. I'll see you folks again tomorrow.